Hello dear students, Namaste. I am Mrs. T.V. Ramana Kaveri, working as Assistant Professor in Sanskrit Department in Mysore Institute of Commerce and Arts, Mysore College. Now we are going to Unit 4, Sthita Prajna Lakshana. One of the most important benefits of studying Sanskrit is the ability to read and understand the Bhagavad Gita. The Hindu Mata Grantha, the most beautiful text of Hinduism. This has been taken from Mahabharata, written by Vedavyasa sage. The greatest gift of India to world literature is the Mahabharata. It is huge and vast. There are nearly 1 lakh shlokas in it. It tells the story of many generations and presents characters of various kinds and types. It teaches everything needed by a human being to realize the 4 purposes of life, that is Dharma, Artha, Kama and Moksha. धर्मे चार्थे च कामे च मोक्षे च भरतर्षभा यदि हास्ति तदन्यत्र यन्नेहास्ति न तत्त्वचित्. The Mahabharata is divided into 18 sections called Parvas. They are Adi Parva, Sabha Parva, Vana Parva, Virata Parva, Udyoga Parva, etc. The Bhagavad Gita is embedded in the Bhishma Parva of Mahabharata. Arjuna comes to the battlefield with Lord Krishna as his charioteer. As soon as he sees the opposite army of Kauravas, he breaks down in despondency. Then Krishna teaches him the importance of duty and urges him to fight. All this is reported to the blind king Dhritarashtra by Sanjaya. Now, the names of the chapters in Bhagavad Gita are like this. First chapter, Arjuna Vishada Yoga. Second chapter, Sankhya Yoga. Our present lesson has been taken from Sankhya Yoga. Third chapter, Karma Yoga, etc. सर्वोपनिषदो गावो दोग्धा गोपाल नंदनः पार्थो वत्सः सुधीर भोक्ता दुग्धम गीतामृतम महत्. All the Upanishads are the cows. Krishna is the milkman. Arjuna is the calf. The man with good intellect is the consumer. The content of the Gita is the celestial milk, that is divine milk. Upanishads, Brahma Sutras and Bhagavad Gita are the basic text of the Vedanta school of philosophy. The second chapter of the Bhagavad Gita, that is Sankhya Yoga. Let us know about the author, sage Vedavyasa. Vyasa is universally accepted as the author of the Mahabharata and 18 Puranas, the Brahma Sutras, etc. He was the son of sage Parashara and Matsyagandhi, a fisherwoman at the beginning and later called as Satyavati. Vyasa was also the biological father of Dhritarashtra, the blind king, and Pandu, the legal father of Yudhishthira and 4 others like Bhima, Arjuna, Nakula and Sahadeva. Vyasa's original name was Krishnadvaipayana. He got the name Vyasa after he classified and arranged the Vedas. He divided Vedas into 4 parts. As we all know, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvaveda, Rigveda. So, the author of the Bhagavad Gita is also Vyasa. The ideas and concepts were enunciated by Lord Krishna and Vyasa gave them the form of the verses which we read now. Arjuna's question. Arjuna is asking Sri Krishna like this. Arjuna Uvacha. स्थितप्रज्ञस्य का भाषा समाधिस्थस्य केशव स्थितधीः किं प्रभाषेत किमासीत व्रजेत किम्. Keshavaha is Lord Shri Krishna or Lord Vishnu. Anvayakrama Arjunaha uvacha Keshava samadhistasya sthitaprajnasya bhashaka sthitadehi kim prabhasheta kim asita vrajeta kim. A person who possesses steady knowledge has nothing to do with the world. So Arjuna is asking the Lord about Sthita Prajna's attitude towards the ordinary people. Does a Sthita Prajna speak at all? Or does he simply sit or go elsewhere? These are Arjuna's doubts. Few grammar points. स्थित प्रज्ञस्य स्थिता प्रज्ञा यस्य सः स्थित प्रज्ञः तस्य बहुव्रीहि समासः. स्थितधीः स्थिताधीः यस्य सः स्थितधीः अगेन बहुव्रीहि समासः. नेक्स्ट श्लोक Krishna's reply to Arjuna's question. श्री भगवान उवाच प्रजहाति यदा कामान् सर्वान् पार्थ मनोगतान् आत्मन्येवात्मना तुष्टः स्थितप्रज्ञस्तदोच्यते. प्रजहाति killing or abandoning, कामान् the desires, पार्थः पृथा's son Kunti's son Arjuna, तुष्टः a person who is happy. अन्वयक्रम श्री भगवान उवाच पार्थ यदा मनोगतान् सर्वान् कामान् आत्मनि एव आत्मना तुष्टः प्रजहाति तदा स्थितप्रज्ञः उच्यते. Before anything else, one should abandon all worldly desires to become a sthita prajna. In that state, he does not require any external thing to rejoice. Few grammar points. Prajahati, pra upasarga plus jahati. This is lat lakaraha prathama purushaha ekavachanam. Yada tada avyaya words. उच्यते वचा परिभाषणे धातु कर्मणि लट्लकारः. The form will be like this. उच्यते उच्येते उच्यन्ते उच्यसे उच्येथे उच्यध्वे उच्ये उच्यावहे उच्यामहे. Definition of a muni. Next shloka. दुःखेष्वनुद्विग्नमनाः सुखेषु विगतस्पृहः वीतरागभयक्रोधः स्थितधीर्मुनिरुच्यते. दुःखेषु प्लस अनुद्विग्नमनाः दुःखेष्वनुद्विग्नमनाः in sandhi. दुःखेषु in sorrows, उद्विग्नमनाः anxious, सुखेषु in happiness, स्थितधीः a person who has firm mind. स्थितधीः प्लस मुनिः स्थितधीर मुनिः रेफादेश विसर्ग संधिः. अन्वयक्रम दुःखेषु अनुद्विग्नमनाः सुखेषु विगतस्पृहः वीतरागभयक्रोधः स्थितधीः मुनिः उच्यते. Neither sorrow nor delight has any effect on a muni or a sage. He has no likes or dislikes. He has no fear and anger. His mind is always steady. It does not waver. Anudvignamanaha, na udvignam, anudvignam, नै तत्पुरुष समासः। अनुद्विग्नं मनो यस्य सः अनुद्विग्नमनाः बहुव्रीहि समासः। नेक्स्ट श्लोक। Whose knowledge is steady? यः सर्वत्रानभिस्नेहस्तत्तत्प्राप्य शुभाशुभं नाभिनन्दति न द्वेष्टि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता। सर्वत्र, everywhere, it is an avyaya, indeclinable. शुभाशुभम, शुभा प्लस अशुभम, शुभाशुभम सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि। शुभा is good, अशुभा is bad. न प्लस अभिनंदति, नाभिनंदति सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि। प्रज्ञा knowledge or wisdom. अन्वय क्रम। यः तत् तत् शुभाशुभं प्राप्य सर्वत्र अनभिस्नेहः न अभिनन्दति न द्वेष्टि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता। As long as one is alive, good and bad things occur. They are inevitable in everyone's life. Ordinary people are ecstatic when a good thing happens and sorrowful when the opposite occurs. A man of steady wisdom is definitely having firm mind and has no affection or hatred for anybody or anything. Few grammar points. अनभिस्नेहः, अविद्यमानः अभिस्नेहो यस्मिन् सः अनभिस्नेहः बहुव्रीहि समासः। शुभाशुभं, शुभं च अशुभं च तयोः समाहारः शुभाशुभं समाहार द्वन्द्व समासः। यदा संहरते चायं कूर्मोऽङ्गानीव सर्वशः इन्द्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेभ्यस्तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता। संहरते killing or withdrawing, कूर्मः a tortoise, इंद्रियाणि sense organs, प्रज्ञा is wisdom or knowledge. अन्वय क्रम। च अयं यदा सर्वशः इंद्रियार्थेभ्यः इंद्रियाणि कूर्मः अंगानि इव संहरते तदा तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता। A tortoise withdraws its head, legs and hands into its shell when there is apprehension of danger. This is the similar thing for a sthitaprajna also. He withdraws all his sense organs from their objects. Few grammar points. Samharate, sam upasarga, ह्री हरणे अत्र आत्मनेपदी फॉर्म, लट्लकारः प्रथम पुरुषः एकवचनम्। How to get rid of rasa? Next श्लोक। विषया विनिवर्तन्ते निराहारस्य देहिनः रसवर्ज्यं रसोऽप्यस्य परं दृष्ट्वा निवर्तते। अन्वय क्रम। निराहारस्य देहिनः विषयाः रसवर्ज्यं विनिवर्तन्ते परं दृष्ट्वा अस्य रसः अपि निवर्तते। When one does not take food, all sense organs stop their activity and so their objects vanish from him. But his relish for them remains hidden. As soon as he takes food, the objects come back. To get rid of the relish, the aspirant should have a vision of the highest reality. Then the relish for worldly objects also disappears. Few grammar points. विनिवर्तन्ते, वि उपसर्गा, नी उपसर्गा and वृत्तवर्तने धातु आत्मनेपदी लट्लकारः प्रथम पुरुषः बहुवचनम्। निराहारस्य निष्क्रान्तः आहारात् निराहारः तस्य निराहारस्य. Next shloka. The power of sense organs on a person. यततो ह्यपि कौन्तेय पुरुषस्य विपश्चितः इन्द्रियाणि प्रमादीनि हरन्ति प्रसभं मनः. Indriyani, sense organs. Kaunteya is Arjuna. Manaha is the mind. Anvayakrama. Kaunteya विपश्चितः यततः पुरुषस्य अपि मनः प्रमादीनि इन्द्रियाणि प्रसभं हरन्ति. The sense organs are very powerful. They drag the mind forcibly and no amount of knowledge can stop them. An aspirant should be very careful about them. Few grammar points. Kaunteyah. Kuntyaha apatyam puman Kaunteyah. Haranti. Hru harane dhatu. Latlakaraha pradhama purushaha bahuvachanam. Next shloka. Control of sense organs. तानि सर्वाणि संयम्य युक्त आसीत मत्परः वशे हि यस्येन्द्रियाणि तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. Prajna is knowledge or wisdom here of a person. Anvayakrama. Yuktaha तानि सर्वाणि संयम्य मत्परः आसीत हि यस्य इंद्रियाणि वशे तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. All the sense organs should be kept under control and the mind should be focused on me, that is God, Lord Shri Krishna. If the indriyas or sense organs are kept under control, the mind, knowledge and wisdom will become steady. Samyamya is 11th avyayam. Dhyayato vishayan pumsaha sangasteषु उपजायते संगा संजायते कामः कामात् क्रोधोऽभिजायते. Next shloka continuation. क्रोधात् भवति सम्मोहः सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः बुद्धिनाशात् प्रणश्यति. ध्यायतः while thinking. कामः desire or passion. क्रोधः angry. Abhijayate emerges. Sammohaha delusion. Smritihi is memory. Buddhinashat because of loss of intellect. Prose order. Anvayakrama for both the shlokas. विषयान् ध्यायतः पुंसः तेषु संगः उपजायते संगात् कामः संजायते कामात् क्रोधः अभिजायते क्रोधात् सम्मोहः भवति सम्मोहात् स्मृतिविभ्रमः भवति स्मृतिभ्रंशात् बुद्धिनाशः भवति बुद्धिनाशात् पुमान् प्रणश्यति. Thinking about the objects of sense is the root cause of the death of personality. It is a chain reaction. When a desire is not fulfilled, anger is born. An angry person becomes confused. Confusion kills memory. When memory is lost, intelligence is gone. The person perishes when intelligence is lost. So one should stop thinking about sense objects. Few grammar points. Dhyayataha, dhyai chintayam dhatu vartamana kridantaha. Upajayate, upa upasarga, jani pradurbhave dhatu, atmanapadi form, lat lakaraha, prathama purushaha ekavachanam. Next shloka. have calmness of mind. Raga dvesha viyuktaistu vishayan indriyaischarana atmavasyair vidheyatma prasadam adhigachyati. Ragaha attachment, dveshaha hatred. Anvaya krama. Tu vidheyatma atmavasyaihi ragadvesha viyuktaihi indriyaihi vishayan charan prasadam adhigachyati. Viyuktaihi plus tu viyuktaistu sattva or sakaradesha visarga sandhihi. Raga and dvesha should be gotten rid of first. The mind should be under control. Then even the enjoyment of sense objects will not be an obstacle to the attainment of serenity or supreme bliss. Few grammar words. Raga dvesha viyuktaihi. Ragascha dveshascha ragadveshau. Ragadveshabhyam viyuktani ragadvesha viyuktani taihi ragadvesha viyuktaihi. Dvandva garbhaha tatpurushaha. Vidheyatma. Vidheyaha atma yasya saha vidheyatma bahuvrihi samasaha. Next shloka. Results of serenity. Prasade sarva dukkhanam hanirasyopajayate prasanna chetaso hyashu buddhihi paryavatishthate. Hanihi plus asya hanirasya रेफादेश विसर्ग संधि. हानि प्लस अस्या प्लस उपजायते हानिरस्योपजायते. सेकंड पार्ट इज गुण संधि. प्रसन्न चेतः a person whose mind is happy. He plus ashu hyashu yan sandhi. Buddhihi mind. Paryavatishthate. Anvaya krama. Prasade asya sarva dukkhanam hanihi upajayate. He prasanna chetasaha buddhihi ashu paryavatishthate. When serenity is attained, all miseries will disappear. The knowledge of a person who has a serene mind will become steady very soon. Next shloka. A disturbed man is not happy. Nasti buddhirayuktasya na chayuktasya bhavana na cha bhavayataha shantirashantasya kutaha sukham. Na plus asti nasti savarna dirgha sandhi. Buddhihi plus ayuktaha buddhirayuktaha refadesha visarga sandhi. Cha plus ayuktasya चायुक्तस्य सवर्ण दीर्घ संधि. शांतिः पीस. कुतः सुखम from where one will get happiness. अन्वय क्रम. अयुक्तस्य बुद्धिः न अस्ति. अयुक्तस्य भावना च न अस्ति. अभावयतः शांतिः च न अस्ति. अशांतस्य सुखम कुतः. For the uncontrolled person, there is no wisdom, nor is there contemplation for him. For one who is devoid of contemplation, there is no peace. How can an unpeaceful man have happiness? It's not possible. अयुक्तस्य न युक्तः अयुक्तः तस्य अयुक्तस्य नहि तत्पुरुष. अशांतस्य न शान्तः अशान्तः तस्य अशान्तस्य नहि तत्पुरुष समासः. नेक्स्ट श्लोक. इंद्रियाणां हि चरतां यन्मनोनुविधीयते तदस्य हरति प्रज्ञां वायुर्नावमिवाम्भसि. यत् प्लस manah plus anuvidhiyate. Here yat plus manah yan manah anunasika sandhi, yan manah plus anuvidhiyate, again it is purva rupa sandhi. tat plus asya tadasya jasva sandhi. अन्वय क्रम यत् मनः चरताम् इंद्रियाणाम् अनुविधीयते तत् अस्य प्रज्ञां वायुः नावम् अंभसीव हरति. A mind obeying the whims of the sense organs will take away the wisdom to destruction like the wind which carries away a ship in the waters of the ocean. चरतां चरागति भक्षणयोः वर्तमान कृतन्तः. Control of indriyas or sense organs. तस्माद्यस्य महाबाहो निगृहीतानि सर्वशः इंद्रियाणीन्द्रियार्थेभ्यस्तस्य प्रज्ञा प्रतिष्ठिता. महाबाहो, हे महाबाहो, संबोधना प्रथमा विभक्ति एकवचन. O long armed Arjuna, Mahabahu, he whose sense organs are fully controlled from other objects will have steady knowledge. Control of indriyas is the way to have a steady wisdom. Sarvashaha, it is an avyaya, indeclinable. Indriyardhebhyaha, इंद्रियाणाम् अर्थाः इंद्रियार्थाः तेभ्यः इंद्रियार्थेभ्यः षष्ठी तत्पुरुष समासः. नेक्स्ट श्लोक नाइट एंड डे. या निशा सर्वभूतानां तस्यां जागर्ति संयमी यस्यां जागृति भूतानि सा निशा पश्यतो मुनेः. अन्वय क्रम या सर्वभूतानां निशा तस्यां संयमी जागर्ति यस्यां भूतानि जागृति सा पश्यतः मुनेः निशा. Ordinary people are interested in worldly affairs, but the man of self-control is not interested in them. Ordinary people are ignorant of and disinterested in spiritual matters. A muni or a sage who sees reality is interested in those spiritual truths. Sarvabhutanam, sarvani bhutani sarvabhutani tesham sarvabhutanam. Apuryamaanam achala pratishtham samudramapaha pravishanti yadvat tadvat kamayam pravishanti sarve sa shantimapnoti na kamakami. अन्वय क्रम आपूर्यमाणम् अचल प्रतिष्ठं समुद्रम् आपः यद्वत् प्रविशन्ति तद्वत् यं सर्वे कामाः प्रविशन्ति सः शान्तिम् आप्नोति. कामकामी न आप्नोति. Only he, the person, attains peace into whom all desires enter, even as an ocean which is unaffected though being ever filled. One who hankers for pleasures does not attain that peace. Abandon ego. Vihaya kaman yas sarvan pumams charati nispruhaha nirmamo nirahankaraha sa shantim adhigacchati. अन्वय क्रम यः निस्पृहः पुमान् सर्वान् कामान् विहाय चरति सः निर्ममः निरहंकारः शान्तिम् अधिगच्छति. That man who, giving up all desires, moves about without any attachments, devoid of the ideas of mine, that is belongs to me, and ego, will attain peace. The state of nirvana or supreme bliss or ultimate salvation, moksha. Yesha brahme sthitihi partha nainam prapya vimuhyati sthitva syamanta kalepi ब्रह्मनिर्वाणमृच्छति. अन्वयक्रम. पार्थ एषा ब्राह्मे स्थितिः. एनां प्राप्य न विमुह्यति. अस्यां स्थित्वा अंतकाले अपि ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं रुच्छति. This is the state of Brahman, the absolute, supreme bliss. O Partha, Arjuna, one is never confused after attaining this state. Staying in this supreme bliss, one attains Brahma Nirvana at the time of death. That is ultimate salvation, which we call as moksha. Brahmi, Brahmanaha iyam Brahmi, तद्धितान्तः. विमुह्यति वि उपसर्ग. मुहा वैचित्र्ये लट्लकारः प्रथमपुरुषः एकवचनं. स्थित्वा त्वान्ताव्यय. ब्रह्मनिर्वाणं. ब्रह्मणि निर्वाणं ब्रह्मनिर्वाणम्. Few expected questions. When is a person called Sthita Prajna? Who is called a Muni? What happens when a person contemplates on objects of sense? Who attains serenity? What is night for all beings is the day for a realized person? Explain. How is a tortoise compared to a man of knowledge? What is meant by Brahma Sthiti or Brahmi Sthiti? Essay type question. Sthita prajnasya lakshanaani adhikritya prabandham rachayata. Bharatiya samskritau Bhagavad Gitayaah sthanam nirdharayata. Thank you. I hope you understood the lesson. Let us meet again in the next lesson.